Ooh, this one is good. It's so common. It's so common to say this. Eso es bueno or eso es malo. Okay, so you can use either one, bueno or malo. Okay, and you don't have to change this to feminine or plural. You don't need that. You just need bueno, malo. Eso es bueno or eso es malo. So what does this mean? This means that's good or that's bad. Eso es bueno means that's good. Eso es malo, that's bad. Okay, that's bad. Eso, that, es, is, bueno, good, malo, bad. Okay? For example, mañana me voy de vacaciones. Okay? Someone tells you, mañana me voy de vacaciones. So what's your reaction to this? Do you know the meaning of the sentence? You could say, eso es bueno, te lo mereces. Eso es bueno, te lo mereces. Okay, so this whole thing means, the first sentence means I'm going on vacation tomorrow. Okay, so I'm going on somewhere. The beach, the forest, I don't know, anywhere. And then you, if you want to answer to that or have a reaction to that, you can say that. Eso es bueno, te lo mereces. That's a positive a sentence right there. So it means that's good. You deserve it. You deserve it. So if you say only eso es bueno, it's acceptable. You can say that to someone. Eso es bueno. But you can add more to the phrase. You can say, you deserve it. Te lo mereces. Te lo mereces. Okay? Now let's break this down. Mañana. Mañana means tomorrow. Mañana, usually in Spanish, can be used at the beginning of a sentence or at the end of a sentence. It's fine. It's completely acceptable. Mañana me voy. Me voy means I'm going. Okay? De vacaciones. On vacation, de vacaciones means you can use it in different situations. Some people, it's weird because vacaciones sound like it's plural. So are you talking about multiple vacation? Plural vacation? No, vacaciones, las vacaciones means vacation, okay? So de vacaciones means on vacation. Now, eso es bueno. You know the meaning of this. That's good. Te lo mereces. Te lo mereces. This is a very good, positive phrase that means you deserve it. Okay? Mereces comes from the verb merecer, which means to deserve. And the whole phrase, te lo mereces or tú te lo mereces, you deserve it. Okay? So remember that phrase, te lo mereces, because it's a good one. And eso es bueno, that's also another great expression. Okay, excellent. So let's look at the next example. Now we're going to use eso es malo. Okay? Let's see. Me despidieron de mi trabajo. Me despidieron de mi trabajo. Oh, that sucks. Eso es muy malo. ¿Qué vas a hacer? Me despidieron de mi trabajo. Eso es muy malo. ¿Qué vas a hacer? So someone can say that, me despidieron de mi trabajo, and then you can say, eso es malo. Eso es malo. ¿Qué vas a hacer? Okay? So the first sentence means they fired me. Okay? It's a long sentence to say, just to say they fired me. But we will know why. I'll tell you why. So, eso es muy malo, ¿qué vas a hacer? Means that's very bad. What are you going to do? Okay? So, that's intense. That's intense. Me despidieron. Someone can just say that, me despidieron, and that means they fired me. Okay? They fired me. Me despidieron. Despidieron comes from the verb despedir. Despedir is another interesting verb because it means to say goodbye or to fire when someone fires you. So it's very peculiar that this verb has those two meanings, to say goodbye, to fire you. That's just crazy. Me despidieron means they fired me. Ellos me despidieron. They fired me. Remember that this is a very common pronoun to use. And the other one, ellos, sometimes you can use it. Sometimes you don't really need it. Most of the times you don't really need it unless you want to be specific, okay? If you want to say it because you need more context, you can say it, of course. But usually the pronouns yo, tú, él, nosotros, ustedes, ellos, ellas, vosotros, those pronouns are not said all the time. But this one, me, if you need it, you need it. If you need it, you need it. You have to. Most of the times, I would say all the times. If it's a grammatical, or if it's grammatically correctly to use me, you have to say it. Okay. Me despidieron. They fired me. Some people also include de mi trabajo. Okay, it's kind of redundant to say that you just got fired from your job, right? It's pretty much that's what you're saying. So de mi trabajo, you can say that me despidieron de mi trabajo. They fired me. When you use despedir, by the way, you use the word de. Okay? Most of the times, you will have to use de. Me despidieron de. And then you're saying my job, mi trabajo. Okay? Trabajo means job or work. So the whole thing, me despidieron de mi trabajo, means they fired me. You can also say me despidieron. Okay? Just like that. And it means the same thing. They fired me. Now we have eso es muy malo. Eso es muy malo. Now we changed something here. We added muy. Okay? You can include muy. You can add muy before malo or bueno. You can say eso es muy bueno or eso es muy malo. Okay? And that is good. That's correct. And that means in this situation, eso es muy malo, it means that's very bad. If you want to say eso es muy bueno, that's very good. Okay? So that's the meaning. ¿Qué vas a hacer? ¿Qué vas a hacer? This whole question means what are you going to do? ¿Qué vas a is a common question, beginning of a question that means what are you going to and then you add the verb. For example, ¿qué vas a? Means what are you going to? Hacer means do. Okay, do, to make. Okay, but I mean, if you want, you can replace this with a different verb. You can say ¿qué vas a comer? Okay, I mean, this is, forget about this. If you say ¿qué vas a comer? ¿Qué vas a comer? That means what are you going to eat? Okay, so you can change this verb to different verbs. In this situation, we need hacer. It's in an infinitive way, or the infinitive way. So hacer, comer, caminar, coser, trabajar. Okay, but when asking ¿qué vas a hacer? That's a common thing to ask, and that means what are you going to do? Okay, so excellent. Remember, eso es bueno means that's good. Eso es malo, that's bad. Okay, so remember that. It's quite important if you want to use this phrase. You can use it to be empathetic. Okay, so that's something good. Okay, excellent.